many people experience back pain, especially low back pain, and cyclists, triathletes are at a probably higher risk at getting back pain just due to the nature of the sport. So being in the same position for a long period of time and the kind of rounding or forward position that our bodies are in puts a lot of strain to the lower back. So there's some strategies though that you can utilize to decrease your back pain or eliminate it completely when you're riding your bike. So bike fit is very important. I'm not going to get into all the details with that, but work with a experienced bike fitter, put you in a good position. But then even with a proper bike fit, you got to ride your bike properly to get the most out of the bike fit. So a lot of people with lower back pain that I've treated who are cyclists, that they aren't engaged through their core properly while they're riding. And when I have them ride in the office, they sit on the saddle like this, and they immediately round into their lower back to reach the handlebars and start pedaling. So what this does is it rounds the lower back. You get less muscle activation here to support your back, and you're just using your quads to just push and mash into the pedals. You're getting practically no activity from your glute muscles, which are stronger and more fatigue resistant, which you definitely want to utilize for cycling. And then over time, just sitting in this position, you're going to get compression in that lower back, and then the longer you ride, it's just going to get worse and worse and worse until you're going to have a hard time just getting off the bike. So what you want to think about is from this position to reach your handlebars, think about moving your whole body towards the handlebars. So a pole is going through your hips like this, and you're trying to rotate through that pole to then reach the handlebars. So your back's in a really nice straight position here from the pelvis, and it's a nice stacked position, so those joints aren't going to get overstretched, the discs aren't going to get stretched, and those muscles are going to be much more engaged and supportive for your lower back. So again, from this position, lean forward till you touch your handlebars, and from there, hold that position with your core. You don't have to tighten up really tight for the core strength, but just a little bit of tension there. And when you're pushing, push through your glute muscles. Your quads are already going to do a lot of work anyways, because cycling is a quad dominant sport, but pressing through your glutes is going to be better for your performance, and it's also going to take a lot of the strain out of your back by pedaling in that way. So this position, nice straight here, and pedaling through your glutes as best you can. So that's going to help a lot with back pain, and also it should help with if you're getting any type of knee pain, particularly front of the knee pain or front part here, that by getting more engagement from your glutes and your core, it's going to take pressure off of your quads, so you're not overusing these muscles that are causing a lot of strain at the front of the knee. So riding with proper posture is going to help a lot for lower back pain and any potential knee pain that you might be experiencing as well.